So I just got done putting all of my Christmas of 2022 away. All I got left for a task for that wonderful season is to renew 35 bulbs. And they're incandescent. But if you see my previous videos, I've already have enough of bulbs to last me quite a long time. So after I get done with this video, I'll replace this, but I'm already thinking about Christmas of 2023. Yes, because that's what a delinquent I am. So I took an idea from my little tree up there, which I could see every day. So every day is Christmas to me in here. So all I gotta do is look up and see it, even though it's not lit. But I'm taking the ideas and I'm already buying stuff for 2023. So I went on to Amazon's and I says, I wonder what they got for glass balls. So now you know what's inside. So I'm going to start the process of buying Christmas stuff and then hoarding it. So this was already low on stock, so I basically got the last one. So here's the first jumble of Christmas balls. And these are glass, so luckily they didn't get damaged or anything like that, even though the packaging looks like it could have fared better. So these are whatever size balls, and they're the shiny kind and the matte kind. So these are the real deal, and these are a perfect size for a slim tree, where you already got enough ornaments, you know, for this, that, and the other thing. So I got the little bit smaller size. So you get the shiny kind, and you get the matte kind. And as time goes on, and as things progress through the year, I'm going to eventually get a couple of other colors. I'm going to get, you know, your traditional red and green and blue and silver and turquoise and pink and whatever else color there is available. So each appears like each box comes with its own little curlicue that you can tie onto each ornament, but we're not going to do that kind. We're going to use the old hooks. So hook right directly on the ornament so that the little glass balls can be tighter against the branches. So already thinking about 2023 Christmas, and I already got some other ideas that I want to plan on doing. Of course, you've seen my previous video of the candles, the LEDs. Whether I modify them or not, I do not know, because I got to see. Like the first batch that I had, they're not really super bright. I mean, the rest of the candles overwhelm them if you were to do every other one. So the first batch ain't really going to be an option unless you do it all, but I don't really want to do them all. So I got another batch coming. We'll see how they look, or they just might go on a tree stock, you know, just single steady burn and stuff like that. Probably the only other thing I'm thinking about doing is for the inside tree is actually doing the spiral of ribbon on the tree. I thought that was, I haven't done it, you know, so it's the first time for me to put ribbon or make it like, you know, a really nice pretty tree and stuff like that. So one of the first of many little packages that'll come for Christmas, and really the only thing I want to do outside is maybe upgrade my RGB strip. It's a 24 volt, and I think I want to do it. I can't get that kind anymore, 24 volt in the Dream Color, because I do have a 5-meter section on the very bottom of it that's seen better days. It's probably the Friday run or the Monday hangover run, and it's I've had to repair it a couple of times, and it keeps getting smaller. So it's got a couple of chips that are bad in it, so it's not displaying all the colors, and it's not as vivid in color as the 12 volt on my smaller tree. So probably going to have to get 40 to 50 meters of that stuff, and then get another awesome 33 amp power supply, 12 volt, meant for the outdoors and stuff like that. But that's still early because it's still January. It's only January 3rd, and I'm thinking about Christmas. But it's only 10 months away, before you start putting stuff out, or what the real Christmas nuts do. They start putting their stuff out last week of October. Me, I try to put everything up at least November 1st. And then get everything on the inside of the house ready, around Thanksgiving and stuff like that. So that's it for this video for the copper color. Copper hair, copper balls. Never mind. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.